Spring break is almost here, Wildcats, but before we go, we've got one last show packed with exciting updates from amazing chopped cooking challenges performances, exciting announcements, and a big showdown between written books and graphic novels in our latest This or That segment. Plus, we've got sports, weather, and a look back at our spirited week of fun. So buckle up before this final episode before break starts now.
Hey NMS, this is Sia
and Abby with your 84th episode of WNMS. Today is Friday, March 28th, also known as National Hat Day.
So make sure to wear a hat as cool as mine.
It's also the last episode before spring break. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
A huge shout out to Varun Swami and Aiden Moo for stepping up as last-minute substitutions in the Chopped Cooking Challenge at Novi High School, competing against high school culinary teams. They held their own and finished 4th out of 7 teams, just 1 point away from tying 3rd.
Their dish, chole pizza and raita, an impressive creation that wowed the judges, and to think they had no time to prepare.
Amazing job, Varun and Aiden. Way to represent NMS.
Get ready for a 3rd and final iReady challenge. Starting the week of April 7th, this time it's an individual challenge. For each completed math or ELA lesson, students will earn a raffle ticket distributed by A20 teachers. Tickets will be submitted to the main office, and at the end of April, we'll draw winners for some awesome gift baskets. Good luck.
We had a great time with our pre-spring break spirit days. Let's check some highlights from this week.
We hope everyone has a fun break.
Hey Paw Print readers, March is reading month and you'll want to read your latest issue of the school newspaper. This month's issue contains reoccurring favorites such as comics, stories, mysteries, and recipes and more. You will find local and international sports recaps, a peek inside other interesting NMS clubs, and a spotlight on Women's History Month. All of this and more can be found in your March issue of the NMS Paw Print. Read and share it today.
It's the final school day of March, which means March's reading month is wrapping up. But before we turn the page, we've got the perfect way to close it out. Our next This or That showdown. Written books or graphic novels. Which one gets your vote? Let's find out.
Comic books, because they have words and drawings. Also, When I read written books, it makes me dizzy.
Comic books, I feel like they're better because they're like more, it's just better. Yeah, it's really good. Yeah.
I said like written books because graphic novels are corny and like really bad. I don't really know what to choose since they're both great in their own ways. Reading can really help you be more imaginative, and graphic novels can help you understand human emotion better due to the drawings.
Comic books because I like pictures and I don't like reading.
Comic books because there's pictures in them and I don't like to read that much.
I prefer comic books because there's a lot of action in them, and written books don't have that much action.
I prefer comic book because for written books, you have to like really think about it. But for comic books, it actually you actually see them instead of thinking about something that could be completely different from what it actually could be.
And the results are in. In a stunning victory, graphic novels take the crown. Looks like Wildcats love their stories with a little extra artwork. Thanks to everyone who voted.
Miles has your headlines.
What's up, NMS? This is Miles with your headline news. So recently, in Frankenmuth, the Bavarian and water park just opened, called Bavarian Blast. It features 16 new water slides over an $80 million expansion, plus expansions to the Family Fun Center, including a high ropes course, laser tag arena, and mini bowling. And it's home to Michigan's first swim-up bar. It's pretty exciting. So they had their soft launch recently on March 21st. They're only allowing limited guests right now into the park with a day pass. If you want to go, it's in Frankenmuth. This is Miles with your headlines. Have a good day, NMS.
This is Kaiza with your Wildcat Sports Lab. Unfortunately, the Detroit Tigers lost their opening game last night to the defending champion Los Angeles Dodgers, 5-4. The Wings lost to the Senators 4-3 to damage their chances even more of making the playoffs. Tonight, both Michigan and Michigan State will compete in the March Madness tournament. MSU will take on Ole Miss first, and Michigan will tangle with Auburn. If they both win, the Spartans and the Wolverines will face each other on the Sunday for a spot for the Final Four. Dom is next with your Today in History moment.
Hello, Novi Middle School. It's me, Dominic, with your Today in History. On 1915, March 28th, the first American citizen was killed in the 8-month-old European conflict that would be known as the First World War. Leanne Thresher, a 31-year-old, died when a German submarine launched a torpedo at a cargo passenger ship, causing many deaths, Leanne being the official first.
Hey NMS, this is Vivan with your weather. Today is going to be mostly rainy with a high of 64 and a low of 54. Spring break is going to be mostly cloudy with highs in the 60s and lows in the 30s. Hang in there, NMS. Break is almost here. Happy birthday to the following students.
Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday!
Did you know that baboons were trained by the Egyptians to wait on tables?
Wow, that's bananas.
A special shout out to all of us. Have a great spring break, everyone. We deserve it. Well, that's been your 84th episode of WNMS.
But wait, a joke before we go.
Alright, what is it?
What kind of key opens a banana?
What?
A monkey.
Very funny, Sia.
We hope that you guys have a great spring break.
This has been Abby
and Sia.
Bye, NMS.